Like an angel in the shadows of a deep blue sky, I see you dancing softly with every breath a sigh. Your twinkling eyes, like whispers of the sea, hold secrets of tomorrow where you long to be. Ang iyong tawanan ay parang isang himig, umuukit sa aking isipan. Ngunit sa likod ng ligaya, ramdam ko ang mga tali na nagbubuklod. Isang araw alam ko, palalaguin mo ang iyong mga pakpak at lilipad. Nagto-chase ng mga pangarap sa dapit hapon, iniwan akong nag-iisa sa gabi. Fly away, far beyond the endless skies. Let us hold this moment close, no room for goodbyes. My love, come squeeze me tight as shadows start to creep. Close your eyes and trust in this love we both keep. In the stillness of the night, our hearts beat as one. Every note I sing for you, a race that's just begun. With every dawn that breaks, I feel the flame still burn. Yet in the quiet hours, it's here that I discern. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, aking mahal. Tayo'y maglalakbay sa dilim, ngunit isang araw ikaw ay lilipad. Hinahabol ang bawat kislap, lumipad ka ng malayo, lampas sa walang hanggan na kalangitan. Hayaan nating yakapin ang sandaling ito ng mahigpit, walang puwang para sa pamamagitan. Oh, the anxious whispers linger as you dream and soar. Each heartbeat echoes softly, begging you for more. In the light we dance together, but shadows loom ahead. As the world spins around us, the fears we've left unsaid. So my love, come squeeze me tight as the night begins to fall. Close your eyes and feel my heartbeat, will conquer it all. For in every anxious moment, love is our guiding star. And wherever you may wander, I'll be right where you are. Lumipad ka palayo sa malalayo.